You no longer need to hire expensive models to showcase apparel. With TopView AI, you can do it better and faster. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm about to introduce you to one of the most powerful AI tools out there. A tool that will make your work so much easier. Honestly, after you see this, you'll be wondering why you didn't start using it sooner. I'm here to simplify things for you and share some game-changing features you probably didn't even know existed. Trust me, you'll want to pay close attention to every detail in this video. So let's dive right in and discover how this incredible AI can save you time, boost your productivity, and transform the way you work. The link is in the description. You can try it for free with limited features or choose a paid plan for more advanced options and the ability to create more videos. There's a huge discount available right now, so make sure to sign up after watching this tutorial. Even if you can create amazing video ads or marketing content with tools like TopView AI, it won't matter much if you don't know how to find winning products that actually sell. So if you're looking to find products online and make money, here's a simple way to discover high-potential items right when you're creating the video. To find the best products to sell right now, head over to the Movers and Shakers page and click on any product that catches your eye. Go to TopView AI, paste the link, and click Create Video to generate your video. You can also upload a file to generate the video. So let's say I have a product to sell. I've pasted the product link. Now all I have to do is click on Create Video. It's going to take a little time to analyze. Okay, the process is done now. Here, you can remove any material you don't want. In most cases, we don't need to make any changes. There are different voices available, and you can select the one that best fits your style.
Welcome to TopView.ai.
Welcome to TopView.ai.
Welcome to TopView.ai.
You can also clone your own voice if preferred. You can choose an avatar, create your own, or opt to use no avatar at all. You can also edit the script or use your own custom script.
Dead skin cells, trapped dirt, and bacteria are the villain.
After generating the video, you can edit and change anything you want. It offers full customization options. Feel free to explore it yourself. I won't go into too much detail right now because it's very easy to use and I don't think you need me to walk you through all of that. Plus, we have more features to cover in this video, so let's keep moving. Just one more thing. TopView AI is compatible with multiple e-commerce platforms. Now comes the most important feature of TopView AI, Product Avatar. This is what truly sets TopView AI apart from other AI tools. Most platforms can't deliver the level of realism TopView AI offers. An avatar that holds your product and talks about it just like a real person. You no longer need to hire someone to promote your product. With TopView AI, you get a fully customizable avatar, voice, script, and image. Everything can be tailored to your needs. Whether you're advertising your own product or creating content for a client, this feature is made for you. Let's create an example ad video for Gucci Guilty Absolute Pour Femme. Click on the product avatar to get started. You'll see different types of avatars, so choose the one that fits your needs. In my case, I'm looking for an avatar that's holding something similar to my product, something my perfume can naturally fit into. Oh, there she is. She looks beautiful, and I can imagine her having an amazing scent, like perfect for representing my perfume. So I'm going to pick her. It's now removing the background from my product image. All right, now let's position it properly. We'll rotate and resize the image so it's not too big or too small, just the right size to fit naturally and look perfect. Once everything looks good, click on Confirm Product Position. Now choose the one that holds your product the best, and if none of them look quite right, just hit Regenerate to get new options. I'd say the first one looks the most natural. She's holding the product just right. Click on Image to Video Avatar to continue. It can take a little while, so we'll just fast forward through this part.
I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use TopView Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Now the avatar is holding our product, and it's time to tell the avatar what to say about it. For this, I'm going to use ChatGPT to write the script for the ad video. Next, just paste the script we got from ChatGPT, pick the avatar we made with the product, and choose a voice you like. If you already have your own voiceover, you can upload the audio instead, then click Generate.
In a world where rules are rewritten, she chooses guilt. She chooses desire. Gucci Guilty Absolute Pour Femme. Unapologetically bold, irresistibly free. Notes of blackberry, Bulgarian rose, and golden wood. Intense, empowering, addictive, guilty, maybe, but never sorry.
Oh, Looks awesome.
But if you're not completely satisfied with the result, you can regenerate it as many times as you need, or take it a step further by editing it yourself using free software like CapCut to make it even better. Personally, I think this version already looks natural and ready to use. The whole process takes less than an hour and only costs a few credits to generate. Plus, the subscription is super affordable, so you can keep refining until it's perfect. Here's another example. Let's take a look.
I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. Je suis l'avatar numérique TopView. Je peux tenir votre produit avec juste une image. Soy el avatar digital TopView. Puedo sostener tu producto con solo una imagen.
Up next is another amazing feature in TopView AI that truly stands out, something most other AI tools don't offer. You no longer need to hire expensive models to showcase apparel. With TopView AI, you can do it better and faster. No need for Photoshop expertise, no professional cameras required. TopView AI takes care of all the time-consuming and costly parts. You can do it all yourself in a short amount of time. Introducing to you the game-changing feature, AnyShoot. With TopView product AnyShoot, you can create stunning professional-grade visuals in seconds, saving both your budget and sanity. First, click to open the Product AnyShoot feature. Click here to upload your product images. Next, select a target image as your background. Choose from public templates or upload your own. On the target image, draw a detailed area of your product placement. Please note that you should be drawing the shape of your product, not the shape of the objects already in the target image. For example, if your product is a piece of clothing, draw the shape of the clothing as if it were worn on the target image. If it's glasses, draw the shape as if they were being worn. After completing the drawing, click Generate button. It will generate multiple image results for you to choose from. If you want more efficient content generation, you can switch to creative mode. Then, describe placing the product on the target image in one sentence. Click Generate button. It will generate multiple image results for you to choose from. If you desire a more vivid display effect, you can click the Image to Video button, enter a prompt, and bring the image to life. And yeah, there are a bunch of other features too, like creating images, text to video, image to video, lip sync, and all that stuff. The results are actually pretty good. You can even do text to audio like you do with 11 Labs, and even clone your voice. But the best part is, with just one subscription on TopView AI, you get access to all of it in one place. Everything's right here, which saves you time and money. Alright, let's end this video with the result of the voice clone in TopView AI. If you're curious, click the link and explore it yourself. It's super beginner friendly. Even if you're completely new, there are detailed guides and tutorials to help you out. And if there's anything I mentioned in this video that you're still unsure about, feel free to ask me. I'll be happy to help. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts about this tool.
Welcome to TopView AI, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionizes the way you create compelling videos. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or business owner, TopView AI is here to transform your raw ideas into professional-grade videos effortlessly.